there's got to be a point where you're like, dude, come on, you didn't show up, or we didn't make it happen, or whatever, however you say it. Like, there should reasonably be, in my opinion, as a performance artist, unless you're in a standing troupe where you have some sort of commitment as a troupe, there has to be a line where you say, we didn't have enough practice to make this look at the quality I feel comfortable performing with. And I think the right to refuse as an artist is an important right to maintain, even in the context of performing for your friends. Because it's like, you put a lot of time, even if it's in a short amount of calendar time, you put a lot of time into your portion of the piece. And I think I think it does you a disservice as an artist when somebody's like jumping into like the end of your piece and hasn't even really fully worked out what they're actually doing with the expectation that that's just okay, when it's not even close to the level of what you've put into it, you know? But that's my opinion. This is your friends, not my friends. I want to encourage you as an artist to remind you that you have a right to assert your boundaries if you don't feel like this person is showing up correctly for you to do a duet with them.